breaking news there is a breaking news, and this is on a letterhead from Tiger IPI, Africa's leading private investigative team. This is a press release on the 11th of May 2025. Our victory is in the judgment and not the award. As Ghanaians may recall, a couple of weeks ago, an American jury found Kennedy Agyapong guilty of maliciously defaming my character. Consequent to the finding by the jury, an amount of $18 million was awarded in my favor against Kennedy Agyapong. Following the award, Kennedy Agyapong filed a motion for remittiture, asking the judge to reduce the amount awarded against him. Thus, inherent in his motion, Kennedy Agyapong admitted to having maliciously defamed me. Today, the trial judge granted Kennedy Agyapong's motion for remittiture and reduced the initial award to $500. This means that while the judge held that Kennedy Agyapong had defamed me in his reasoning, the award against Kennedy Agyapong by the jury was excessive. Many avenues of redemption accrue to me, but it is important to state, as I previously did, that this fight has not been about the money, but rather fight for truth and justice. I am happy that not a single allegation was proven against me in the court when Kennedy Agyapong was given full opportunity to substantiate. I will continue in my relentless fight against corruption, and in doing that, continue to name, shame, and jail. Signed, Tiger IPI. Letter dated 11th May 2025. Now has caught the attention of SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yako na yene safo kwesi ohene. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the office here no na yene edin komo about this particular issue about because we've heard from Tiger Eye, and of course we must also hear from the camp of Kennedy Agyapong. Media bema yaba kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM so.
Media also media bema. Also nyame adom bia ho ye.
God.
Me ma we bia adwo so Ghana.
Yeah.
Me din dia ohene Kofi Safo.
Ohene Kofi Safo, producer take note.
Kofi Safo. Me bema antine frame Kofi no.
We bema antine ya kwabra for the enyem bema ho.
No, David. What from Kofi for more makanya ma.
Na Kennedy akompre kwa Agyapong o Kofi ana o kwabra.
O kwame.
O kwame eju onya be ma ho.
Me say on say Nyankopon edika boy nipa. Uti obo nipa no Kofi no boy.
Yeah.
Nti me Kofi no di wiase share nsa. O si mi ndi wiase so. Nti wo ye kwabena, wo ye kwaku, wo ye kwame, wo ye kwese, wo ye hwan a ofiri mi mu ne bae. Nti wo ye nana. Emam aha.
Yo. We ba cho yenya krata bi ekran sesia na krata no fi Tiger IPI ho. Na wo kira wo mu edi nkunim e wo court ho. Na odi nkunim no court no ka ebrebia eye court no edi judgment bi ko tia eye Honorable Kennedy Agyapong also muntia $18 million no say was Honorable Kennedy Agyapong as I dey court na akopa court no cho say sika no so nti anka be anka judgment no mo nte so na ontua enti court no in its wisdom no awarded a cost of $500 against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Nti sabre what the abase odo de wedi nkunim na nsemo a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong editutu no so nyina no enye no kre.
SOMPA FM.
Na ma minchia ona minchia wa hefo ne etifu nyina SOMPA de wa ni pese ye fie ntino se mene SOMPA kasa dia me bia no se minya emre na me SOMPA kasa me kasa me wadwumam na so SOMPA nti o se me kohye baabi na mitimi ne SOMPA kasa on ewi ase on ese se ya bo so yi ni pa bone ni na so ya abo abone a we are bonnet or say will be worth for years, and now in Pabonini to be worth for years. And you pack a crabby and on berry so much Mrs. A free omonia omoyam. You see, court Benedica or days are $80 million now, Tiger Eye for Aircan. And then court, US court, Odia Simbia Cockota, judge no appointed jury near Oma on Babetnasi teens and Noma Oma 2 judge Nefo. Say senior per se, and I see teens and no more. I had in the argument, say, Ekusi. So during the decision, but and your final of the cancer decision from the court or the judge. Jury no, Edom ruling nearby no. And among sending a last lawyer, near honorable lawyers, and a judge in the ball, surgery decision in Guye. Because you know, Motia says, a Guma or the shell monsa, and as a guidelines or more, the mom say, or Mumfan, and Nisum Fanya, Adeno. And yes, I'm man of me, and Jomonim and a cotton, judge no ball, jury no, ruling the Guye. Until Boguya, judge no 30 days. And so then a ruling, Baba, 30 or more days. And then, judge need the ruling, Baba. A fine court ben on Abu can side the court say. Scanner, $80 million na jury no our day, you know. Almost on quarters no intimate scanner. You see, oh yes, yeah, you are not helping. Make train caption now, man, Sadaba, Omnium Crusading guide, Nick Kevin Taylor, no more, almost as a bit piece and tron. They come who ye, surface on work, say, a video court dine say, where winners are in a balance sender from $80 million, about $500. Mean of my side where I know awesome. From $80 million. Let's say about $500. Says can come here meet you.
But entero me read the me a my dream nakakra. But let me quote what Anas says in his release about the above things. I see today the trial judge granted Kennedy Agyapong's motion for remittitor and reduced the initial award to $500.
Then judge no who in tia or awarded $500 no from 80 million to 500 million or sound or assume. I'm not supposed to be a Ghana for United say Nema and in the name for Kuba Konomo Kevin Taylor or Martin War Formuno. Of course, Ghana for United to sell mana.
But let me find out from you, Minia
Kofi. Where a court Nansa ruling. I own our day as some control. On our can and a court name say, on our can a goo anymore say. And Jama, a Guma now ye, old so ye no BBC, Al Jazeera and Sanimania, because honorable can I could show who watches a watchman a you enmity, won't mean yourself money in Abio, and to know, I feel honorable can a goo hoofy, the court nation no mouse are damages no. And a court in the ruling Nabasa or tea honorable can. Evidence of the coy would tea also the and some of kind. Oh, now, I'm not now could in our car say. Ghana, didn't Ghana judges no one person best go back and say, well, why a case at the tear Ghana, the Odi upon Jackraco quarter upon Jim Bedibim, and to one trusted Ghana court. Who try insist say, a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Equa J bribe. True Quasiantechi, what could go Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, any must say, oh, US court, what good Ghana court, oh, anyone say, oh, US court, oh, Ghana, my Nanka sending us, oh, US court. Court no share one yama or the choir share on Abu Ken Yamunano. Almost some Yama o canoni say now Kenya in the CNE. And now filing fee crowd file essay and John can tell $500 and for more. The Fato Kasubi. $500 for me, never send me, you say, me send me, name lawyer Casas, I may send this Karama lawyer and see an Wotia. You have more now can into Mutum Chesses, Kamiami Chesses can. Of course, Ghana for Sabi in Niagara from the city. How on the Bakuba
Media Kofi. I had a paper some Metia. Or say, did no Cressa Kennedy Agyapong a file a motion of remittitor.
SOMPA FM.
And you know, cray.
And you know, Cressa is
open no criteria.
Yeah.
Beginning no. Some cocoa na. Court no, we say honorable can lawyers, ne Anas lawyers no in share. Some person settle out of court settlement, out of court settlement. And honorable can lawyers ne say lawyer say sa 80 million open omuntia. But the figure honorable can cash be around say $100,000, say $50,000. If our son should be corrected. And there are two lawyers, no, two parties in the CIA, or I'm not so pay 80 million, no, can lawyers no bet me to can't be a $50,000 and $100,000, no. And I almost said that be almost penny. And the court. Court, this is the time, though, this is the only time a judge didn't rule in Aba. And to motion ben honorable can lawyers go file.
So the earlier communique, from a
say, and that's how you need jury no at the end judge jury name and ask the lawyers no can lawyers name not judge cast jury no and yet I said what they say almost someone you know. And you know, I don't some kind and wabu during the wabu and the American honorable judge didn't ruling by a honorable can call file for them. And you're no criminal, and you're no correct.
But I no cressus judgment na e ba e ne de judgment na Agyapong say